Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create cutout sticker, and this is how to create Instagram cutout stickers. So here, before we launch Instagram, before we create cutout stickers, make sure you can update your Instagram app. You can access it by Play Store and search for Instagram, and here you can tap on update. As you can see, I already update my Instagram, so there is no update button. So here the latest update is 25 November 2024, and this is the updated versions 357 at 359.0.059.89. So let's get back. After you update, now you can open your Instagram. Here you can tap plus button, and now you can create story. Tap the story. Here you can create your story first and tap on sticker filter at the top of your screen and try to search cutout. So you can tap cutouts and choose the picture that you want to create the stickers. For example, this one. Wait for the process, it takes for a while. And here we go. You can select manually or just use the sticker. You can tap use sticker, and now the sticker is on. And sticker is automatically saved. And also you can create a cutout sticker from someone feed. For example, you can tap three dot at the top of the feed or post and try to search create cutout sticker. So again, let the process, you can wait the process. And here, if you select manually, you can tap manually the motorcycle, for example. As you can see, yeah. If you feel you're satisfied with the sticker, you can save it. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.